to Adrice's Kitchen, Tavern Kitchen 69, where she loves playing with recipes. Yeah, and I got on me a hat today. You know, me and my hat sleep together. Just like having me a little mimosas in the morning time. But anyway, look. I am growing so many squashes in my garden. Yes. I can't even give my squash away, and there's so many others of us who is growing squash. We're just sharing squash, right? But I found a delicious recipe I know you would like. Squash pizza, yes. So look, get you a cocktail, and let me share with you these ingredients for this recipe I know you're gonna like. I'm gonna use 3 nice sized squashes out my garden. I told you that once, right? Some green peppers, and they're so pretty, they grew out my garden too. 1 purple onion, and whatever marinara sauce you choose. Sometimes I put a little sugar in this, but whatever you like, whatever tomato sauce. For your pizza, I have some basil, some Italian seasoning, some garlic salt pepper. Garlic salt pepper, that's gonna give the little salt, and a little pesto. Pesto, yes. And what's this? Minced garlic, and your cheeses of choice. You must have some mozzarella, right? And I got some sharp cheddar here. And the meat of your choice, whatever you want to use. I'm going to use pepperoni, turkey pepperoni. I'm a fan of turkey everything. So, let's get started with this recipe, y'all. Oh, and don't forget to add some olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to slice these up in 1/2-inch circles. About this thick, okay? And set your oven to 400. Stuff all the zucchini. I drizzled the bottom of this pan with olive oil. I'm flipping them over so that the olive oil can get on there real good on each one. Make them nice and neat. I think all the circles will fit, right? Drizzle a little more. And then I already have my own marinara sauce made up. So let me use what you like. Pour it over. Next is the pesto. Put a little bit on top. Bit on top of each one. That's on top of the marinara. Let's put the onions on. Whatever topping you want. If you want to, you can put some olives or something. Green peppers. Yummy, delicious. Oh, it smells so good already. Yeah, 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 Mom. Put a little basil on each one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Italian seasoning. You must have Italian seasoning if you call yourself trying to make a pizza. Now, I got something here that's garlic salt. And this is just going to put the little salt on it. Okay. No, I did not use any. Snibbies love that spice, but I sure would love for you to go to the website and order some. Okay, what else is needed? The cheese is here. Okay, now for the mozzarella. This mozzarella comes in a tube. So, glad I got on gloves. So I'm going to put little specks of pieces all around here. And get that gooiness going on, right? Now for me meat. I have here turkey pepperoni. Some people don't like pepperoni, but like I said, you can use whatever meat you want. And this can also be a vegan dish. It's fine just the way it is right now. Look, it's going in the oven at 400 for about 15-20 minutes. Take a look at it. And when that mozzarella is gooey, if you like to pull it on broil then, so that it can have crispiness to it, go right ahead. Yeah. Me and my hat. Yummy, delicious, fresh out the oven. It smells so good. I've had it before, and I tell you, it's just yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. And it's no bread. I kind of take myself away from bread and the Pillsbury Doughboy. I mean, he's a big guy. Why I want to be Pillsbury Doughboy, right? Look, a delicious pizza. Kind of healthy, I think. I'm going to have mine with a Ulinger light beer. Oh, I just love these beers. And look, y'all. Subscribe and love and like my channel and share it with others. And go to Sun Moon Products. Order some Sneaky Spice. I didn't use any on this today. But hey, it's a good, delicious spice. It has low salt and is great for all your seasoning needs. And I want to thank you all for watching Adrice's Kitchen 69, where she loves playing with a recipe every day. Enjoy living your best life.